Welcome back to Canadian Guns.
Today we're going to be comparing the Stevens 334 to the Browning AB3. So the Stevens sells in Canada for about $549 for the plastic version, or in the US about $320, or $684 Canadian, or for around $434 in the US for the walnut version. It has a 3-position safety, a 60-degree bolt throw, it's got a matte black synthetic stock, or a walnut straw, it's got a 22-inch button rifle barrel, a Picatinny rail, and it weighs about 7.4 pounds. You can only get them chambered in 308, 243, and 6.5 Creedmoor. Now the Browning sells for around $650 in the US or $834 in Canada for the plastic version.